odor. This condition usually occurs when your feet sweat and the sweat does not evaporate because you are wearing shoes or socks. Bacteria naturally present on your skin grow as they feed on the sweat and dead skin cells, producing the foul smell. Here are the top 5 home remedies for foot odor. Number 1. Baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda, is an effective remedy to eliminate foot odor. It neutralizes the pH of sweat and reduces bacteria. Add baking soda in warm water, 1 tablespoon for every quart of water, and soak your feet in it for 15 to 20 minutes every night for 1 week. You can also sprinkle baking soda in both your shoes and socks before wearing them. Number 2. Lavender oil. Lavender oil not only smells good but also helps kill bacteria. Plus, it has antioxidant and antifungal properties that are effective in treating foot odor. Put a few drops of lavender essential oil in warm water. Soak your feet in it for 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat twice daily for a few days. Number 3. Epsom salt. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate that has a lot of applications ranging from gardening, household, beauty to medicinal purposes. Epsom salt can also minimize the smell coming from your feet as it fights microbial infection and neutralizes foot odor. A detoxifying foot bath with Epsom salt is also soothing for aching feet. Mix 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in a small foot tub filled with warm water. Soak your feet in the solution for 10 to 15 minutes. For best results, do this before going to sleep so that you do not have to wear socks or shoes for a few hours. Number 4. Black tea. Black tea has tannic acid that helps kill the bacteria that produce foot odor. It also helps close pores on your feet, thereby reducing the amount of sweat on which the bacteria feed. It is recommended as one of the most effective home remedies by doctors. Number 5. Boric acid. Boric acid is another effective remedy that kills odor-causing bacteria, thereby eliminating foot odor. Dust a little boric acid powder on your sweaty feet for a few days to get rid of foot odor. You can also mix 1/2 cup each of boric acid and white vinegar in 2 cups of water. Spray the inside of your shoes with it. If you liked the video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and share with friends.